The Sony Xperia 1 Mark 7 returns to the stores across markets, Sony announced in the post on the website. The news was reported by GSM Arena 2. Sources had reported early in July Sony was willing to pull the devices due to random reboots, restarts, and shutdown. In that post, Sony explained why it pulled the device, what action has taken since, and when it will be available. When Sony pulled the device in July, it announced a replacement for affected batches and how you can claim the replacement. Since the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 7 has been pulled from store, Sony saying it has been able to identify the issues that caused it to temporarily halt sales. This includes unexpected power offs, restarts, and difficulty powering on. The update further highlights steps it had taken to rectify this problem. If you purchased a Sony Xperia 1 Mark 7 before Sony pulled it from stores and experienced these issues, Sony is offering an exchange. Go to their website, use the link above, enter the IMEI number to see if the issue affects your device. You will have more information on the Sony's website. The device will be available by August 25th as per Sony. Sony announced this device on May 13th as a successor to the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6. It has a 6.5-inch OLED Full HD plus HDR display that runs on Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. It has 12 GB of RAM with 512 GB or 256 GB storage, 5000 mAh battery with 30-watt uh, wired and Qi wireless charging, and runs 115 out of the box. It has three cameras, which is 48 megapixel main, 48 megapixel ultra wide. The 12 megapixel telescope cameras, it has dual lengths for shooting. It's a very interesting thing, but it is too late because now next month the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 is coming out, and who will spend so much for a phone that is actually more expensive than even an iPhone?